So this is how you can add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube short, which is going to actually show up in the short itself. So first thing, you have to upload a YouTube short, because you will not be able to add a custom thumbnail to already uploaded short. And you need to make sure that you're choosing a custom thumbnail before you hit upload. So I'm going to hit this plus button, then hit this upload a short, and I'm going to choose this video as my YouTube short. This is my photos planned collection. Then click next. Once again, click next. From there, you can title your YouTube short. But before you hit upload a short, and the top left corner, you will see this pencil icon. Select that. Now this is going to allow you to choose a custom thumbnail that's going to show up in the short itself. All you need to do is scrub through and find the best moment that is going to make people want to click on that video. Also, this is going to get you more views on YouTube. So for this video, I'm going to select this point where my Manjula photos looks perfect in the frame. So now click on done. Now you're having custom thumbnail that you can upload your YouTube short with. As of now, it only works for your smartphone. If you're trying to upload a short from desktop, this option will not be available. So comment down below if you want to have this option for desktop version, and hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you all.